Hey everyone, Paul here from the Key Republic, and today we are going to be learning variables. A simple explanation for variables is, if you remember back in math class in 7th grade, or 6th grade, whatever, you were learning variables, but variables would mean like something like x equals 73. So x would take the value of 73. So if you could say, if you could say, oh my god, okay. If you said x plus 1 equals, the answer would be 74. Because x is 73, and then plus 1, that would equal 74. So that's basically what the same thing in a variable is, but it's completely different. Well, I mean, it's different in coding. So I'm going to be teaching that today. Alright, so first we have to start off from last tutorial. We have to do the public static void main string args. So let's do that real quick. String args. Okay, so once you have that, we can actually start coding. We are going to, there's a few different kinds of integers. There's booleans, there's doubles, and there's integers. Today we're going to be learning doubles. So what doubles are is a number like 5 and with a decimal. So 5.13. A double has to be a number with a decimal. It could be 0.13, or it can be 1.13, or it could be 1.24. It can be whatever you want as long as it has a decimal. It could be 1.543. And so that's what a double is. So let's start off by naming the double. So let's say double, and we're going to name it Bob. So what's important in variables is that you cannot capitalize the variable name for some reason. And then we're going to put the semicolon because that always ends statements. So now we're going to give Bob a value. So Bob equals, let's say 3.14, which is pi. And let's put a semicolon. And now we're going to make the console down here say 3.14. So if you remember, I think like 2 tutorials ago we did system.out.println, and that printed out a statement like, here, look. It would print out hi because that's inside quotation marks. But the thing is about Java is that in println it can not only print out statements, it can also print out variables. So if we put system.out.println Bob inside remember not to put any quotation marks, just and then we put a semicolon, it will print out 3.14. You don't believe me? Well, let's check it out. Let's press OK. Oh, shoot, I'm sorry. I meant to put a semicolon here. So if you put a semicolon there and we run the program, it should put 3.14 down here. And as you can see, it did that because what we did first was we created a variable called Bob. And that Bob was a double, so it had to have a decimal. So in the fourth line of code actually, technically, we assigned Bob a number. So Bob equals 3.14. And then we made it so the system will print out Bob, and that's exactly what happened here. And yeah, so that's about it for this tutorial. I will teach you more inside the next tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. And yeah, you guys have a great day. Bye.